Hi, today I want to try and deal with the big question which I get asked more often than any other, and that is, why do you charge more than your competition? And that competition could be online competition, it could be traditional estate agents on the high street. And I think it's a great question. And the fundamental thing is we have to get to a different question before I can provide you with my justification. And that is, given the same house in the same location, does it sell for different prices dependent on its circumstances? Or does a house always sell for the same price regardless of what you do? Now, we can prove, because we've tested it thousands of times now, that how you bring a property to market and when you sell it massively influences the price which you achieve. So I want you to consider this question first. Imagine that you're a buyer and you go to see a property which has been on the market for 6 months. It's on the market at £250,000. You know there's no one else interested in it. And remember, it's been on for 6 months. How much would you offer for that property on at 250? Now consider the same house. You go to view it, and as you arrive, 2 other people are leaving. As you're there, another couple arrives. And you know, because the agent called you the day before, that there are 8 other customers in competition for that property. And they've told you that bidding will start at 12 o'clock that day. You decide it's the one you want. How much do you offer now? Now, clearly, those 2 scenarios evoke very different responses from customers. And I've asked that question to hundreds of people, and every single time, the second answer is greater than the first. And that's because the context is different, the circumstances are different, and therefore we pay different amounts of money for the house. And what we've done at Preston Baker is we have researched and tried and innovated to work out what is the best method for getting people the most amount of money for their home. Because the thing to remember is that this is one of your most valuable assets. So the question can never be who will offer me the cheapest price to sell it. The question must be who will get me the most value for it, who will get me more money for it after I've paid their fees. It's the difference between the two, which is the key question. And my feeling, now having tested 2 different methods on over 3,000 sales over a really buoyant market and a less buoyant market, is that our property launch method sells homes for 3.8% more than traditional marketing, which is far more than the value of our fee. So we create value for our customers, and that's why, of course, the actual cost of delivering that value is more, therefore the charge is more. But our customers end up with more money in their back pocket. And I really feel for the eMove customers who, in the last couple of weeks, have paid money up front. They paid £1,000 up front. The company's gone into administration, and there are thousands of these people, and they've got nothing for it. They don't have a sale. They weren't on a no sale, no fee deal. So I think that's really sad. So as we go into 2019, I want to really try and fly the flag and argue the case for not dumbing down a estate agency and being a race to the bottom of all, we'll just put it on Rightmove and Zoopla and operate from a call centre and wait for it to sell. Actually, we want to be really energetic and really proactive to make a sale happen under circumstances which leave you with more money in your back pocket. And in order to do that, we need to obviously do more work, and do more work means that we have to charge more, but you'll end up with more money in your back pocket. So really excited about 2019. I think it's going to be a fantastic year for us, because I think there's never been a better time for agencies to have the courage to actually say, let's do more for our customers and get them a better outcome. So hopefully that can be for you in 2019, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.